Mugen offers a body kit, titanium exhaust, and brake upgrade kit. Tuner revealed pricing and availability for the Group.B package. Total cost of upgrades exceeds the Civic Type R's price in Japan. The Honda Civic Type R may have bowed out of Europe, but it still thrives elsewhere, including Japan, where it shares showroom space with the Prelude hybrid coupe. For those craving extra drama, Mugen now offers a tuning package that brings sharper looks, stronger brakes, and a louder exhaust. The Group.B body kit made its first appearance at the 2025 Tokyo Auto Salon, following last year's concept debut. Now, Mugen has detailed pricing and market availability for every part. The cost of these upgrades can nearly double that of Japan's hot hatch, signaling they target hardcore enthusiasts with deep pockets. Mugen's Civic Type R full kit costs more than the car itself. What's in the kit? At the front, modifications include a front bumper extension with a prominent splitter, a vented hood, and GT3 style vents on the front fenders. These flow into sharper side skirts, a larger rear wing topped with a lip spoiler, and a diffuser that frames a single central tailpipe. Mugen says the package produces around 3 times more downforce than the standard setup while trimming 38 kilograms, 84 pounds, from the car's weight thanks to carbon fiber construction. Under the hood, the turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder stays mechanically untouched but gains a carbon engine cover wearing the Mugen badge. The titanium exhaust system cuts another 8.75 kilograms, 19 pounds, and promises a slight boost in mid-range torque, though we doubt anyone would notice. Mugen's Civic Type R full kit costs more than the car itself. The Japanese tuning firm also offers upgraded brakes engineered for stronger stopping power and better endurance during track sessions. How much for the madness? And that brings us to pricing. The front splitter, rear diffuser, and side skirts each retail for 1,500,000 yen, equal to $9,700 at current exchange rates. The carbon hood comes in at 1,200,000 yen, $7,800. The rear wing at 1 million yen, $6,500. The lip spoiler at 200,000 yen, $1,300. And the vented fenders at 800,000 yen, $5,200. Those who want the complete package will need to spend another 1 million yen, $6,500. For the brake kit, 750,000 yen, $4,900. For the titanium exhaust, and 180,000 yen, $1,200. For the carbon engine cover. Add it all together and the total climbs to 9,630,000 yen, $62,500. That's a steep sum when you consider the Civic Type R itself costs between 4,997,300 yen and 6,179,800 yen, $32,500 to $40,100, in Japan. In effect, a fully loaded example with every Mugen upgrade could push past $100,000. If you're still reading and haven't been scared off by the price tag, Mugen says parts will gradually roll out through 2026, with delivery times varying due to limited production. A video below captures the modified Type R doing what it does best, making noise and turning heads.